The finalists in the commercial maintenance subcategory are Brightview for Inspiration Metropolitan District. Brightview has provided maintenance services to Inspiration for the last 5 years. The property is over 700,000 square feet of turf, more than 400,000 square feet of beds, and over 200,000 square feet of native. Sustainable solutions for the property include the implementation of sustainable landscape management standards and participation in the City of Aurora's large property water variance program in 2022. Brightview also maintains native grasses on the property. Other sustainable practices include mulching blades on mowers, remove and recycling green waste, reusing plant containers, and limiting unnecessary pruning or watering. Brightview partners with the Metro District, HOA, and developer, working through the transition from the developers to create a consistent look throughout the property for the residents and visitors. They meet regularly with the management company to make sure that things are running smoothly and to make plans for the future of the property. Environmental designs for JBS USA corporate offices. Environmental Designs has maintained the grounds of the 27-acre JBS USA corporate office for the past 5 years. The contract includes basic maintenance services and tree and shrub pruning, cleanup of trash around the facility and parking lots, and weekly policing of the grounds during the winter months. The facility borders large open spaces, so a strict program is in place to ensure weed mitigation in turf areas. This facility utilizes the City of Greeley's raw water program, and all irrigation water is non-potable. For this reason, the irrigation system requires consistent checks and monitoring for clogged spray nozzles and heads. EDI employs SLM practices in maintaining the property, including mulching blades on mowers, rejuvenation pruning when possible, and composting of waste generated by the spring and fall cleanups. In addition, beginning in 2021, EDI has replaced bluegrass turf with Black Beauty fescue turf, which reduces water consumption while maintaining the appearance of dark green turf everyone recognizes. Arrowhead Landscape Services for Mount Olivet Catholic Cemetery. Arrowhead has maintained the grounds of this cemetery owned by the Archdiocese of Denver for the past 2 years. The maintenance contract includes mowing over 200 acres on the property, weeding, fertilization, pruning, seasonal color, and care. One challenge of the site is that it is heavily visited. The crews have to work around memorial items placed near the gravestones of loved ones. They also communicate regularly with the property and meet each morning to ensure that work is not done during any services out of respect for the families. Crews will reroute on site as needed to not disturb any visitor. And we have one finalist in the residential maintenance subcategory, Lifescape Colorado for Manoir Moderne. Lifescape provides a comprehensive weekly property maintenance with a dedicated garden manager, 2 fall cleanups, and 1 spring cleanup to this residence in Boulder. They have maintained the 34,000 square foot property for the past 4 years. During this time, the entire landscape matured ahead of the homeowner's expectations. Given the variation from formal to a more natural style, in addition to strict green city ordinances due to the home's location in Boulder, the maintenance needs are very complex. Challenges in maintaining the property include the owner's preference for a formal landscape look balanced with the site constraints. Lifescape designed a natural stream bed to help with flood mitigation, along with the incorporation of xeric and native plants near this area. The home's extreme microclimate, along with strict green ordinances, presented another challenge. A few of the sustainable practices include selective pruning, organic fertilization, IPM, and composting.